suspects had planned the murder 2 months before Holly was finally executed. They have rented a room on the 6th floor since August 2003. The room was rented by Elrisky Yudhistira, 34. A man who was found dead in the courtyard of the Ebony Park Tower. The room was rented for the next 6 months until January 2014. Throughout August, the murderer carried out planning until it was handed down to the victim. On Monday night, the perpetrators, who were later identified as 4 people, apparently disguised themselves as band members, bought a hard case containing 2 guitars and entered Holly's room, Unit 0980, Ebony Park Tower. The black-haired case will be used to store Holly's body. They have also prepared ground coffee to disguise the rancid smell. Unfortunately, they had brought a duplicate key to Holly's apartment unit, and they were still trying to find out where to get the original. They were waiting for Holly to arrive. At 10:30 p.m., Holly returned from her adoptive mother's house in Cibubur and was attacked by 4 men in her unit. Holly was then assaulted by 4 men as soon as she entered her unit. The 4 perpetrators grabbed Holly's hands, covered her mouth, and then beat her with an iron. When Holly entered the room, she was commuting with her adoptive mother. Screaming for help from her adoptive mother because she was attacking Elrisky and her friends. While commuting with her adoptive mother, Holly screams for help. Towards 12 p.m., the perpetrators then fled through the attic down to apartment unit 08AS. The perpetrators then tried to escape from there, and they broke the balcony door glass so they could get out. The perpetrator remained silent while in the unit, then washed his hands, stained with Holly's blood in the sink located near the balcony door, and left the towel in another unit. Holly was found bound and covered in blood. At 12 p.m., Elrisky Yudhistira fell from the Ebony Tower, becoming one of the 4 killers of Holly. Elrisky allegedly fell from the Ebony Tower while escaping through the balcony and died. At 1 p.m., Elrisky's body was taken to RSGM while Holly was taken to Siadipa Hospital. Holly's body was then taken to RSGM before being buried in Semarang.
Number 2 is case analysis. In this case, MAPPI reveals several legal issues, both chronologically, facts, material, substantive, and formal. In general, the legal issues in this case are problems in chronological evidence of facts. 1. There is a profound difference in articles between the mover and the person being moved. 2 is differences in information between the defendant and the witnesses presented at the trial. 3 is lack of panel of judges in providing consideration in the final decision. 2 is materially or substantive. 1. The defendant cannot be held responsible for Article 353 paragraph 3 of the Criminal Code. 2 is not charged with attempt abatement to commit kidnapping in accordance with Article 163 bis of the Criminal Code. And the 3 formally. 1. There is a difference in relative competence between the outlawer and plagiars.
Number 3. Legal basis for the Holy Angela murder case. Gatot was proven to have violated Article 353, paragraph 3 in conjunction with Article 1 and 2 of the Criminal Code. Article 353, paragraph 2 reads if the act of abuse result in death, the guilty person of the treated with imprisonment for a maximum 9 years. Gatot was sentenced to prison for 9 years. The 3 people, namely Surya Hakim, Abdul Latif, and Pago Satria Permana, were proven to have violated Article 340 in conjunction with Article 55, paragraph 1 of the Criminal Code concerning premeditated murder, and they were sentenced to 9 years in prison by Jakarta High Court. The sentence is lighter than the first degree sentence, namely 17 years in prison.
And number 4 in the judge's decision. In the judge's decision, the defendant Gatot Supraptana was declared not proven in the primary and subsidiary charge, but was proven to have committed torture with a plan to kill. A prison sentence of 9 years was imposed. With a reduction in the period of decision already served, the defendant accepted the verdict, and the public prosecutor did not fail in evil. This decision has permanent legal force. Meanwhile, the other defendants, Surya Hakim, Pago, and Latif, who were sentenced by the South Jakarta District Court in a separate case file, were sentenced to 9 years after appeal, replacing the 17-year sentence.
Base of the analysis of the problem is like the following of the coin. The base of the analysis ratio from the annotation study can develop that the problem regarding a competition of movement is the case the public prosecutor and the panel of judges did not apply the necessary scoring coverly. While the applied is limited of library of the most is error playing the material criminal doctrine is the case. This is the conduct page said. A panel of the judges and the public overdone did not apply the lecture of illusion convertually. Even though the motivator liability in limited, the moditor is not automatically result from the criminal liability. The division is still the head criminal liability as the 163 based of the criminal code. However, the public procedure did not ask the of to hold defend criminally responsive. The public procedure shall be on the understand the purpose and 163 based on the criminal code so that he could apply this differently. Okay, thank you everybody, my friend. I finished presentation for grade 5. Thank you very much. Good job. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. I got 3 old guys,